Hey friends, if you encounter error 0x8096002A, the extraction operation was not completed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one resolution that has been acknowledged by a lot of forums and a lot of users, and that is simply to use the third-party tool 7-zip. So, as an example, I'll show you that we have a zip file here, or rather, I will create a zip file for you. Okay, compressed to zip file. Now I need to extract it. Right click on it and extract all. But here's one more thing that I can do. I can search for 7-zip in the Google or Bing search bar and click on download for the application, or simply go to its website 7-zip.org and click on download for the very first option, and that is if you have a 64-bit computer. If you have a 32-bit computer, then you can choose the second one, and then click on yes, and then install and close. And you know what, I installed it anyway whether I need it or not, because it makes it way faster to extract files. Now right click on this file, select show more options, select 7-zip and click on extract files, and then click on OK, and whoosh, in a fraction of a second we have it here. This is the best resolution and it is working for a lot of users. The second resolution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to move the archive to a different folder. So if this is the archive file, copy it, and then let's say we go to the music folder and paste it here, and then try to right click and extract all, but still 7-zip is the best option. The next solution is an SFC scan, and that is when 7-zip is not working either. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select OK, and then you can check all of these boxes here, and then you can click on OK, and then select delete files. The last solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration and then go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all if any of the services enabled. Then click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart. This will surely solve the problem. Was it helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.